Good morning, students. Now we go to another chapter which is related to matrix, that is your symmetric and skew symmetric matrix. Okay, so before going to symmetric and skew symmetric matrix, we will go for 3-4 definitions. Okay, for matrix. Okay, first is your orthogonal matrix. Orthogonal matrix. Now here you have a square matrix A, said to be orthogonal if A transpose is equal to A is equal to I. That means A into A transpose into A is equal to I, where I is the identity matrix of same order as A. Okay, and remember A must be a square matrix, so that there transpose will be a square matrix. This is your orthogonal matrix, where you have A into A dash into A is equal to I. Okay, write down. Next, is your adjoint matrix. Now here you will have a square matrix A is called an adjoint matrix if A square is equal to A. Okay, A square is equal to A. Now remember, A must be a square matrix, right? So that A into A gudila bele amaro example ara A is equal to 2 minus 2 minus 4 minus 1 3 4 and 1 minus 2 minus 3. Remember, these are special cases. Sabu bele eta hobo nai saman. These are special cases. Only gote duita example you will get, so that after जदि आमे गुणिबा you will get A square which is equal to एतिके गाउथे आसी जिवो. Okay, this is your adjoint matrix. Write down. Okay. Next is your involuntary matrix. Okay, these are some special matrix. मु स्क्यू मैट्रिक्स जीवा पूर्व कही दूसरी एजाक सेमती सहित डायरेक्ट लिंक किसी ना जस्ट जनरल नॉलेज 1 मार्क क्वेश्चन कही दूसरी मैट्रिक्स इज सेड टू बी इनवॉल्यूटर मैट्रिक्स if a square is equal to I is the unit matrix same as the order of A. Okay, this is your involutor matrix. Remember here a square is equal to I. A square is equal to A L A Raman matrix. A square is equal to I L A is your involutor matrix. Okay, write down. Next is your nilpotent matrix. Okay. Now here you have a square matrix A is called a nilpotent matrix. If there exists a positive integer m such that a to the power m, that is equal to a into a m times is equal to 0 matrix of m by n. Okay, so whenever you multiply a m times गुणिला बेले जदि हमरो एटा नल मैट्रिक्स आसी गला ताले हम ताको nilpotent matrix बोली कहबा, राइट? ओके, राइट डाउन. Okay, now we'll go for symmetric and skew symmetric matrix. This is your 4B exercise. आपको धरिकरी हबो आमे 4B रो किछि प्रॉब्लम्स आमे करबे. Symmetric and skew symmetric matrix. This is another type of matrix. First of all, symmetric matrix. Okay, a matrix which is equal to its transpose is a symmetric matrix. Particularly you can say a square matrix which is equal to its transpose, then the matrix matrix. Okay, now here a square matrix which is equal to its transpose. Whenever you have a matrix and its transpose, then, and remember square matrix are transpose kale bi order ta same rahibo, then you will say A is a symmetric matrix. Remember that is A is equal to A transpose. Okay, A is equal to A transpose. Write down. I am giving examples. Okay. Now one example I will give you. Suppose you have A is equal to 1, 2, 3, 5, minus 7, 4. So this is a third order matrix. Now what is its transpose? First row will be first column, second row will be second column, third row will be third. 1, 2, 3, 2, 5, minus 7, 3, minus 4. 1, 2, 3, 2, 5, minus 7, 3, minus 4, minus 7, 4. So here A is equal to A transpose. Therefore A is a symmetric matrix. Okay. Another example, suppose you have A is equal to 1, 2, 3, 2, 1. So what about A transpose? 1, 2, 2, 1. A is equal to A transpose. Here also your symmetric matrix. Right. Examples. Okay. Now next is your skew symmetric matrix. What is the definition? Remember, a square matrix is and transpose negative सहित जदि समान होतबो ताहेले आमे ताको कोन कहबा skew symmetric matrix. Another additional property is your diagonal elements of a skew symmetric matrix are all 0. Okay, so the definition: a matrix A such that A is equal to minus A transpose and 2 A is a square matrix and 3 diagonal elements of A is 0, then A is called a skew symmetric matrix. Okay, so all these three properties यदि follow होला ताहले आमे ताको skew symmetric matrix बोली कहबा. एक must be square matrix, दुई diagonal elements must be equal to 0 and A is equal to minus A transpose. Write down. Okay. We'll go for example. Okay. Now here example A is equal to 0, 2, 3, minus 2, 0, 4, minus 3, minus 4, 0. Okay, now A transpose 0, 2, 3, 0, 2, 3, minus 2, 0, 4, minus 2, 0, 4, minus 3, minus 4, 0, minus 3, minus 4, 0. And what about negative of A transpose? Minus of this one 0, minus 2, minus 3, 2, 0, minus 4, 3, 4, 0. Okay, now multiply this minus. What do you get? A transpose is equal to 0, 2, 3, minus 2, 0, 4, minus 3, minus 4, 0, which is equal to your A. Therefore, A is equal to minus A transpose. Hence, A is a skew symmetric matrix. Okay, write down example. Okay. One thing you should remember, suppose a square matrix. Let A is a square matrix. Okay, then if Aij is equal to Aji, then A is a symmetric matrix. If Aij is equal to minus of Aji and Aji is equal to 0, when I is equal to J, then A is a skew symmetric matrix. एटा भी सही डेफिनेशन अछि एटा सेटा आगुरु कहितली जा एटा सेही जिंस एका जिंस यदि खाली सिंबॉलिकली आमे लिखिबा जे सिमेट्रिक मैट्रिक्स कोटा एंड स्क्यू सिमेट्रिक मैट्रिक्स कोटा आकु लेके आमे आ कुछ अधिका करिया राइट डाउन ओके now we see one property. Whenever you add A and its transpose, then you will have the symmetric matrix. Remember one thing, A आउ तार ट्रांसपोज A ये दीटा जाक जदि आमे ऐड कर दबा ताहले आमे ट्रांसपोज मैट्रिक्स पाइबा symmetric matrix पाइबा. Now we will go for one example. Let A is equal to 1 2 3 3 2 3 1 1 4 minus 2. This is the general matrix, square matrix or third order. Okay, general matrix. Now A transpose. We'll go for transpose of A. Okay. Okay. So now the transpose. What is the transpose of A? First row 1 2 3 first column is go. Second row 2 3 1. Third row 1 4 minus 2. Okay. Now add these two. What happens? Theta add कर दोगा. What will you get? 1 2 3 2 3 1 1 4 minus 2 plus 1 2 1 2 3 4 3 1 minus 2. What I am getting? 1 plus 1 2 2 plus 2 4 3 plus 1 4 2 plus 2 4 3 plus 3 6 1 plus 4 5 4 4 minus 2 minus 2 minus 4. Okay, 4 plus 1 5. Okay, so what about this? देखो A plus A transpose, it becomes a symmetric मैट्रिक्स. देखो एठी दीटा फर्स्ट रोटा अरे फर्स्ट कॉलम सहित समान, सेकेंड रोटा आर सेकेंड कॉलम सब समान, थर्ड रो 4 5 minus 4 4 5 minus 4. So it is a symmetric matrix. Then what is the conclusion? Sum of two matrices, the sum of two matrices, that is one A and its transpose, becomes a symmetric matrix. So what is the conclusion? Sum of a matrix A and its transpose is always a symmetric matrix. And remember, it should be a square matrix. Square matrix. Okay, sum of a matrix A and its transpose is always a symmetric matrix. Write down. Okay. Got it? Now what about the subtraction? एठी मु कौन कली ऐड कली मैट्रिक्स एंड इट्स ट्रांसपोज इफ आई सब्सट्रैक्ट व्हाट विल हैपन गोटे मैट्रिक्स आउ तार ट्रांसपोज जदी माइनस करबी ताले कोन हो लेट इट ए इज मैट्रिक्स ए इज स्क्वायर मैट्रिक्स 1 1 -2 3 2 1 3 4 5 general 3 by 3 matrix only. Okay, it is normal a 3 by 3 matrix. Then okay, then what about a transpose? Now a transpose ko le 1 1 -2 first row ta first column hela, then second row ta second column hela, then third का third. Now I will subtract a minus a transpose 1 1 -2 3 2 1 3 4 5 minus 1 3 3 1 2 4 -2 1 5. What I am getting? एक रू एक बले 0 1 -3 -2 -2 this is your 3 -5 3 -1 2 2 -2 0 1 -4 -3 3 minus of -2 that is 5 4 -1 3 5 -5 0. So here I am getting a 3 by 3 matrix. But what about this? देखो ये तीनटा जाक हमरा जीरो अछि डायगोनल एलिमेंट एंड एटा -2 अछि -5 5 अछि 3 -3 अछि. दैट मींस एटा हमरा स्क्यू सिमेट्रिक मैट्रिक्स is the definition. Definition हम कहथिले कोन a is equal to minus of at and आरो डायगोनल एलिमेंट सब 0 हेबो ताले हमें स्क्यू सिमेट्रिक कहि परिया. नाउ व्हाट इज द कंक्लूजन? सम जदि हमें मिसेइबा जदि सिमेट्रिक मैट्रिक्स होची जदि हमें सब्सट्रैक्ट करबा ताले हमरो कोन होची स्क्यू सिमेट्रिक. सो the difference of a square matrix A and its transpose is a skew symmetric matrix. This is your important thing. The difference between transpose of a matrix and the matrix is your skew symmetric matrix. Okay, write down. Okay, now we will do one problem from exercise, right? Exercise हमारा 4B आरगला 4b of question number 5. A is given. A is equal to 120. B is given 013 and -2 5 3. Okay, verify that A plus A transpose से बुक रे ट्रांसपोज में एमटी दोची मु टी लिखि दोची. ओके, is symmetric and A minus A transpose is skew symmetric. Okay, so first of all we find A transpose, A minus, then A plus A, then A minus A transpose. First A transpose, R transpose one over first row, it will be first column, second row, second column, third row, third. Now find out A transpose sum. Okay, 120 013 minus 2543 plus 10 minus 2 215 032. What I am getting? 1 plus 1 2, 2 plus 0 2, minus 2 2 2, 3 plus 5 8, minus 2 8 and 6. This is your A plus A transpose. Now whether it is a symmetric or not, देखिले तो हमको जाना पड़ जाए इट इज ए सिमेट्रिक मैट्रिक्स, बट हमको करिया पड़े. लेट A plus A transpose is equal to R. केते बेले हमरो गोटे मैट्रिक्स ता सिमेट्रिक मैट्रिक्स हबो जेते बेले तार ट्रांसपोज सहित मैट्रिक्स ता समान हबो. नाउ R is equal to RT, then R is symmetric. Okay, so R diagram, therefore R is equal to kete? It is 2 2 minus 2 2 2 8 minus 2 8 6. So R transpose is equal to R transpose बराबर 2 2 minus 2 2 2 8 minus 2 8 6. Now look at here, dita jakare kichi farak nahi. R is equal to R transpose, therefore R is symmetric. That is A plus A transpose is symmetric matrix. Okay, write down. Now we go for minus 80. Okay, again we go for A minus 80. So now look at here, A is equal to this one, A transpose is equal to this one, A minus 80. Eta A transpose. What happens? 1 to 1 bole 0, 2 minus 0 2, 0 minus of minus plus 2, 0 minus 2 minus 2, 1 minus 1 0, 3 minus 5 minus 2 minus 2 minus 0, 5 minus 3 2, 3 minus 3 0. Okay, this is your A minus 80. Right, let A minus AT is equal to S. तो सिमेट्रिक स्क्यू सिमेट्रिक हवा पानी स्क्यू सिमेट्रिक हवा पानी हमको कौन दरकार फॉर स्क्यू सिमेट्रिक we need S is equal to minus S transpose and diagonal element 0. Okay, now it is stammetric. So what about बाकी elements? S is equal to 0 2 2 minus 2 0 minus 2 minus 2 2 0. What about S transpose? 0 2 2 0 2 2 column में लिखिए minus 2 0 minus 2 minus third row का third column होगा 2 0 minus S transpose that is equal to कब जाएगा minus 0 plus 2 minus 2 0 minus 2 minus 2 2 0. Now look at here. S is equal to extra जहाँ 0 2 2 0 2 2 minus 2 0 minus 2 minus 2 0 minus 2 minus 2 2 0 minus 2 2 0. Therefore S is equal to minus of S transpose as well as the diagonal elements are also 0. Therefore S is a skew symmetric. Okay, and A minus A transpose is skew symmetric. Okay, so this is your question number 5. कौन कहथिला A डी थिला A सहित से कहथिला जे A plus A transpose is your symmetric matrix and A minus A transpose is your skew symmetric matrix. हमें ये नहीं गले A transpose काट देंगे A plus A transpose and A minus A transpose देखेंगे. Okay, we'll continue this exercise in this week. Okay, thank you and have a nice day.